Is there something on my truck that says honk?
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel.
Sup?
So I decided that we're gonna vlog today, and I don't know what we're doing, but oh my gosh, Tim is literally the worst driver that I've ever freaking had the opportunity to ride along with. So where are we going now?
Action Hobbies.
Okay.
Hobby store.
It's a hobby store. We just met up with our friend Brady, and we went to a different hobby store. Wow, whoa, it's so dark. And we were trying to get all of the parts and stuff for my RC car, and Tim just bought an RC car, so he's gonna get parts for his too. Are we going in with you?
You don't need to.
Can I get my eyebrows waxed?
No.
This is gonna be super weird, but my eyebrows, can I zoom in on this? My eyebrows are wrecked, you guys. Wrecked. Riggedy wrecked. But, you know, I'm just out here living my best life. Doing the best that I can. Riley, what are you doing?
Watching my phone, you guys.
What are you watching?
I am watching. He is the bad guy, and they're the good guys, and they're having Christmas Eve.
Whoa. What are you doing, Carter? What did you get?
Rebuild kit for your shocks.
Wow.
And a bearing for my drive shaft.
Awesome. What kind of car do I have?
Traxxas Slash.
Where's
Brushless, 4-wheel drive with a full castle system and RPM upgrades.
Wow.
And I want to say a Spectrum remote.
And what kind of car do you have?
I want that BMW. I also have a Traxxas Slash. Full castle, brushless, 4-wheel drive.
Wow.
Or you want me to tell them yours is cooler and faster or what?
Yeah, I did.
Mine has an older castle system in it. Hers has a newer one.
So mine's
Hers
faster.
is faster, but
But what?
I'm working on gearing mine, so we'll be good. We'll be good.
Oh, jeez.
Having all that speed doesn't do anything
If you can't
unless
drive
you
it.
can't drive it or control it. If you're constantly braking it, Jordan,
No.
it's pointless to have a fast one.
No. You need to tell him how it really is. So the first night, I was like, Tim, I really want to go out and drive this. I've never driven a fast one like this before. Let's make it happen. So we go outside one night, and right in front of our house is a speed bump. He jumps the speed bump and rolls it multiple times, and it took a whole chunk out of the middle of my body.
No, that was at the track.
Oh. So there you go. He broke it twice. So there's that. I love when he does voice to text. It's so funny.
They will have them tomorrow. Thank you. Oh, really?
Yeah. Let's go check on Riley. That looks so fun. Let me see. Oh, that's so cool. Fast forward just a little bit. We just got done at our friend Brady's house.
From our friends.
What?
From our friends.
And him and Tim fixed some of their RC cars. And yeah, that's pretty much all that we did. So now we're gonna go home
My RC car's still broken.
Yeah, it is.
I have to order parts. Yours is ready to go. Well, yours needs one part, but you can drive yours. I can't drive mine. Now it's time to figure out what we're gonna have for dinner. And you've got to clean the bedroom. You have to go through your closet. And I'm gonna play Xbox.
What do you want for dinner? This is always a big argument in our household. Would rather starve than tell each other what we'd like to have for dinner, right?
We're gonna have BFD. Breakfast for dinner. Whoop, whoop.
Whoop. And
It's just gonna consist of pancakes.
And in the morning, I'm making waffles. So I have to be kind of quiet because Tim is right up at the front door of our friend Brady's house. I don't want him to hear me talking because he'll think I'm like crazy or something. I have been waiting to do this prank. It says Honk at the driver. It's a YouTube prank, LOL, and then my @name. He kind of set himself up for this because he said Carter like dumped her bottle in the back seat, and so I was like, oh, that's okay, like I'll clean it up, go hang out with your friends, like whatever. Oh, I'm going to go pretend like I just cleaned up the car, and then I'm going to tape this to the back of the truck because Tim has the worst road rage. I just hope that he doesn't see it. We parked far enough back that he should walk around the front of the car, not the back, so wish me luck. I'll let you guys know how it goes. He's coming.
No idea who this person is. Something fall off our car or something? Those people.
It's because you drove. They're like me. You drove too close.
Leave your RC car on the truck or something? Like,
It would have fallen off by now.
I did that. Oh.
I was going to prank on you. And it didn't work.
It's because I'm smart.
How are you smart?
You can't prank a prankster.
No, obviously, because Tim just pulled up to our house and he took like, he doesn't want to go anywhere else. And so now the prank that I told you guys about is not gonna work now, and I put so much effort into it, and he's like, no, we just have to go home, and literally our parking spot is right there, and that freaking sucks.
So if I go to the store right now and you prank me,
I think we need to go somewhere further than that, so I think the prank is just over.
further than that,
It's fine, just please pull into the parking spot.
further than the store,
Yeah, but
what
we don't
kind of
have
prank
much
is that?
gas.
I swear to gosh, if you take my truck and leave me at the store,
No, it's better than that. I'm so sad, you guys. Like, I want to be a good YouTuber, and Tim, like, all the odds are in my favor except this guy. Because he's so freaking stubborn. And the only reason he's going around the block right now is for the simple fact that I'm making a YouTube video and he wants to support me.
I want to know
But it just wouldn't
if
be
this
a
is
good prank. It is a freaking hilarious prank.
All right, well, I'm on my toes now and we're going to the store.
Thank goodness. Okay, guys. I think I'm just going to leave the camera rolling and I'll just edit the rest out. Wish me luck. Wish Tim luck, I guess is a better thing to say. I'm really sad though. It hasn't worked. Okay. Can I turn these off? We'll still be able to see us. Oh, jeez. I'd at least leave mine on, right? Is that illegal? Oh, okay. Turn that one in the back off. Let Carter take it. Oh, that's fancy. Okay, so we're gonna go to the store right now.
I swear.
I really hope this works. It's so funny to me. And like, I watched this other girl's video. I'll put her name right here if I can find her video. And I died laughing.
The floor is
Like,
lava.
No. And it's so funny. And it worked so well for her. I don't know. I feel like Tim already knows what it is though, because he's so annoying.
Pregnancy.
Oh, I would never joke about that. That is not funny. I will never ever joke about that.
My
Especially
keys
on
are
a video.
staying in my pocket.
That's fine. You don't have to.
And if you guys are going to play hide and seek,
No. We can all stay together as a family. It's a family prank. That's more directed at you. This sucks. I didn't even want to tell him this much. And you know, it would be nice to have some crowd participation right now. Freaking idiots.
Idiots?
Yeah, everyone's an idiot. Kidding me.
I'm just confused. It's been a long day.
I know. Okay, you guys, I think I'm just gonna tell him and we're just gonna turn around and go home because
We're a block
I know,
from the
but it
store.
has nothing to do with the store. We don't even have to go into the store. And that's why I'm so annoyed. I'm so irritated. Why can't I do anything funny? Like, I am just not a good prankster. But everybody in my town sucks. So I think we're gonna try another minute or so, and then once we get to the stupid store, I think I'm just gonna get out and tell them what it is.
Is there something on my truck that says honk?
And it's not
That's
freaking
why
working.
somebody honked earlier and waved?
Yes. Yeah.
I swear.
This is so annoying, you guys, because we are always driving and we're in a city. And so when we're driving, like, there's always somebody, like, right on you every single time. Like, Tim brake checks everybody every 2 freaking seconds. And tonight, look at this. Nobody is behind us. Can I pull this out? Look at this, you guys. Nobody. And it's been like this all night long. Everybody is in front of us. Nobody is behind us. And I'm so irritated.
Because I'm tired. I'm not
Because-
in an aggressive driving mood.
Tim is such an aggressive, like, driver that... Oh, I'm so irritated. He would have been so upset if people kept honking at him. Like, I think he already read the sign at our friend's house because for some reason, no matter how far away the truck is, if the front of the truck is closer, he will always walk around the back of the truck. And I cannot express to you how annoying that is. I went and searched through my friend's house for tape to tape it up because for some reason, the tape that I had left in my diaper bag for 4 days is not in there anymore.
Because I put it away because it didn't belong in there.
Okay, anyway, and then I had this, like, coloring page so he wouldn't be like, oh, what's this, and open it. I was hoping it'd just be like, oh, it's the color page, I'm just gonna throw it away and not read it and open it. But that's what I wrote it on. And now just my video sucks. So I didn't even want to vlog today. I just wanted to do this prank, but I thought this would be a good cover up because that's what that girl did. Sorry that I stole all your ideas. I don't know what I'm doing. Do you want to see the sign real quick?
Yeah, and no, I didn't see it. I walk around the back of the truck because I use the bed of my truck.
But you...
There's an RC car back there.
So you did see it?
No, I didn't see anything.
Okay. Oh. That person just locked their car over there. They're not even in the back of our truck. That is so frustrating. Hop out real quick. Get out of the car. Look, he's trying to lock me out. Look, it's so funny, you guys. Tim just locked me out of the truck. Oh my God. If you leave right now, if you freaking leave right now, I will literally, he's driving away. Oh my, I have the dumbest husband. You guys, he's literally driving away. If this is a prank on me, that'd be a really funny one, actually. I wonder how far he's gonna go. Okay, well, I'm gonna sit down just in case he decides to leave any further. Yeah, it is. It is cold.
Would you record yourself dancing for entry back into the truck for trying to prank me?
Okay, so don't leave because I'm gonna hop out. Okay, I gotta get out. If he drives away right now, oh my gosh. I could really get hurt. Don't do that. Oh, here's the sign. I have to dance. Do you want to hold it? This is so embarrassing. Can I wait until the cars go away?
No, you have to dance for entry.
Ow, let me in the car.
You have to dance. That's all you got? Come on, girl.
Let me in the car. This is my prank, not yours.
Come on, girl. All right, we're going to start driving, I think, till you dance.
There's people around me.
Oh, it's okay. Come on, babe. I don't want to be a chicken. I don't want to be a duck. Come on, girl. Oh, there we go.
Now really let me in. Isn't that funny, you guys? Look at.
You know how hard that is for drivers to see? It's too small. If you would have done it a little bigger. Look at all this real estate you've got.
I know, but I couldn't do it bigger because I was working with what I got.
Well played.
Well played. Obviously not. Okay, so we just got home, and I think we're gonna end the vlog right here, right? Because Tim has to go to work in a few hours, and I'm gonna take a nap, I think, and I'm gonna make some pancakes. My mom got me a pan that makes sloth pancakes. I'm super excited. So, you got anything to say?
Tired.
How was that prank?
It was good. I made you dance. You're so pretty. Look at you.
Is it my
so
earrings?
Lucky. Your earrings are beautiful too. I love you.
I love you. Thank you so much for watching.
Are you coaching me?
No, just thank you so much for watching.
Don't coach me. Let's see
Don't
how
forget.
we do.
Okay. We're gonna say "and" this time though, okay?
Thank you
guys
so much for watching.
No, try again. Are we just saying thank you so much?
Yeah, your hair smells good.
Thanks. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much for watching.
Don't
Your hair
forget.
smells good.
Don't forget to.
It's my beard. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
We'll see you next time. You want to do it or me? Hurry, put your hand up.